Hey guys! We're starting today's video diary off in the kitchen making this cheesecake thingy.
One, two, three, four.
The happy birthday tiara. I got my butter. I need to melt it. I'm not like showing you how to do it, obviously. Like I'm just reading the box. But we're just kind of doing this together. One. Okay. Okay, that shit's all mixed. Let's check on the butter. It bubbled over in there. I don't know what to do. Okay. This shit is like slippery now. Okay. It didn't really go up the sides. It did like a tiny bit, but that's okay. We're not looking for perfection here. Pour it in. Okay, it has been beat up in the mixer and it said it should be thick. It's thick. It looks so good. Yum. I'm back. I showered. I'm changed. I'm gonna do my hair and makeup in a little bit, but we gotta finish the cheesecake. So it has set and it looks really good. Like, look at that. It looks so good. So I'm gonna keep it in there. And I'm gonna try and cut these strawberries to look like little hearts. And we're gonna put that on top. They look cute. This one especially. This one's a heart. Like you can those two. You can't tell me otherwise. This one's a little wonky. This one's a little wonky, but like these two, they're slaying. This is how it turned out. I love it. I think it's adorable. I think it slays. Yay. Whatever. I'm gonna do like kind of quick makeup. So I'm just gonna kind of like not talk and like speed through it. Okay? Okay, I just had to do a phone call, but I finished up. Like a brownie nude lip. I just wanted to do green eyeshadow today. I don't know if I like the lip now. I feel like it's too much. That's a little better. Okay. I think I might just leave it down and be messy. Messy vibes. It's like kind of got something funky going on because it's been in a bun all day. Here we go. Okay, it's a few days later, but I got a package in the mail. Let me set you up right here. My balloons are right here, so ignore those. But I ordered stuff from Five Below because I saw this cherry rug on TikTok and I was like, I need that. And I don't have one like near me. And I felt like it was gonna be sold out by the time I would have gone. So whatever, I just bought it online. And I got some other shit too. So I'm so excited. Okay. I got this. He's so cute, Croapy. He dances. He does dance moves. There was a Hello Kitty one, but I feel like I have a few like Hello Kitty like little figurines kind of, and I don't have any of him that are like big and like fabulous. So, and then I got this notebook that has just the Sanrio guys on it, and what sold me was the tabs or like little characters. Okay. Oh, I got this for my husband. It's like a little mushroom lamp, like what you put on the wall. And I think above his like desk, he has like a different little light thing, and I just think this would look cute there, and he likes mushrooms, so. And then this is why I placed the order, was this rug. I'm either gonna put it in my bathroom if there's room, because I have this like dinosaur rug in there, and I think it would just be chaotic and fun to have like cherries with the dinosaur feet. But if that doesn't work, I'll put it in my kitchen. But it's just so cute. I gotta try them on. I'm so excited. Like I searched cherries to find the rug, and then this came up and I was like, and I got a size above just in case they ran small, because I didn't want the same thing that happened to me 2 years ago happen again, where they don't fit. Watch them not fit. I will cry. I'm usually not a flip-flop girl, but like these are like Paris Hilton like vibes. I don't know, and I just think they're fabulous. Oh my god, now I need to paint my toes. I'm not gonna show you my feet because I feel like I don't want to, you know? Okay, my table's got shit all over it, but just so you can see, this is his dancing. Like, I still love him, but he's putting in like 1% effort. We're in a different spot, but I have another package to open from Schmoxy Schmarm. Let's see what we got. Ooh, paper. Okay, normally it says like the products on here, and it doesn't. It's just like, look out for something big. Okay, start with this off. Let's start off with this. Can't talk. Okay, the wrapping on it is like all fucked up. Perfecting Prism Color Protecting Pre-Shampoo Treatment. I don't have like right here's bleached, but I don't have colored hair. And pre-shampoo treatment? What the fuck is that for? Not me. A brow conditioner. Oh, it's like it's not what I thought. It's not a brow gel. So you can wear it underneath your brow makeup, but you can just put it on at night and it nourishes your brows while you sleep. Okay, I'll be trying that and see if it's working. Now I'm excited because I was like, I don't need another brow gel right now. But I'll try this out like at night and see. Ow, that bitch just gave me a paper cut. Trigger warning, a little tiny bit of blood. But the box just gave me a paper cut. Okay, there's these things. I'm gonna leave the palette last because it's like in my face. Let's do this one. Lip Shine Sheer Lip Balm. Ooh, okay, I love a sheer lip balm. The brand is Misho Beauty. It's very like natural, but like you get a tiny bit of the brown, but I'm here for it. This thing, it's a makeup primer. The brand is Toy Factory, and it's a prime collagen, hyaluronic and collagen makeup primer. Okay, I love a dewy primer. I have a dewy primer. I'll give this a try. I'm like bitter This is a Tarte Sunrise Amazonian Clay eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. Whoa, that looks cool like that. I'm gonna take this off. Sometimes I give these to my friend if like the palette isn't my vibe, because I have like a lot of makeup, I feel like. It's very neutral. Neutral Nelly. Neutral Nelly? It's cute. It's not really my vibe. Like I feel like I have these colors. You know, I'm gonna maybe give this to my friend. It's very like cute. And I think Tarte gives like good quality, right? But like, I just don't think I need this. I don't know. Normally I'm like, I think Box Charm's worth it, but like, only, like I'm excited about these things. Like I'm excited to try this primer. This brow conditioning thing seems like it might be like bullshit, but also kind of cool. And I like the lip tint. But the other two things, I don't know. I don't know if it's worth it. I don't know. And it cut my thumb. Whatever. Box of Charm. I'm like side-eyeing you. Okay. That's it. I'm gonna go. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Also, I've been posting on TikTok more frequently. I go through phases of like where I want to post on it like every day. And then like I'm silent for like 2 weeks, and then I want to post on it every day. So like I'm in the phase right now where I'm posting every day. So if you want to follow me on there, do that. But yeah. Love ya. Bye.